to run some program on our Mac, we might get this type of error message that the application cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. We can easily fix this issue. So in this video I'll show you how to fix that. So at first just cancel it and then click on the Apple menu, and then you'll find system preferences. Just click there and the system preferences will be opened. So from the system preferences you will find security and privacy. Just click there and it will open, and from the top tab just select general, and under general you'll find like lock type of thing. Click here and unlock it first. So just put your username and password over there and then unlock. So it will be unlocked. Now you will see on message that the application was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. So here it is showing like that type of message. So what we need to do, we just need to click open anyway, and that's it. And once we click open anyway, then we'll find this type of thing. macOS cannot verify developer this thing. So here it is giving on three options basically right now: open, move to trash, and cancel. Previously it has two options: move to trash and cancel. Now here it is showing open. Now click open, and that's it. Now the application will be opened, and in this way you can easily fix that type of error. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video.